Hello, Klasse 10. I'm just making a little video to go over the two task sheets that I have placed on here today. I am speaking like this just to try and get the volume correct. Let me know if the volume is too high or too low for you, or whether you can hear me properly or not. So here's the first sheet. So basically die Verben, the verbs. Now conjugiere die Verben, that basically means put them in the form of the person doing the action. So ich spreche, du sprichst, er oder sie spricht. Okay. So I speak, you speak, he or she speaks. Okay, so you've got to look up the verbs for to read, to play the piano, to sing, to paint or draw, to listen to music, to write, to speak, and to read. Okay, then we've got this here. Was machen Katharina und Paul? What are Katharina and Paul doing, or what do they do? Fülle die Lücken aus, fill in the gaps. Alright. Now, this is a very easy one. I'm not sure if I should tell you, but we are using they. Alright, so they listen to music. Sie hören Musik. Sie lesen ein Buch. Sie sprechen Deutsch. Alright, now I've given you three of the answers there. See if you can suss what the pattern is there. Do you need to change the verb form? No. Alright, here though you do. Okay, because we've got er, which is he. Alright, he plays guitar. Spielt Gitarre. Now I've already shown you how to look up verbs on dict.cc, so you've already got the infinitives there for you. So you just go on to dict.cc and you can figure out which ones are the or the sie forms. If not, let me know. Now here basically, this isn't so much hobbies, okay, it's what do you like doing in the German class. For instance, I like writing in German class. I like reading. I like talking. I like reading. Sorry, did I say... Ignore that. Okay, so what do I not like doing? Alright, so basically these are the things that you do not like doing. Okay, so that's that task sheet there. The other one is this one here. Go to the top. Okay, gern, nicht gern. So say whether you enjoy or don't enjoy. Oh, I've repeated that. The following. So, ich gehe. If you enjoy it, you put gern spazieren. Ich koche. If you enjoy it, you put gern. If you don't enjoy it, put nicht gern. What I'd like you to do though is, as well as writing gern or nicht gern, is write down somewhere what these sentences mean. Now you can add all of these things on to your Word document. Sorry, not Word document, on your Google document. That is all about Freizeit. Okay. So figure out what they mean, and then you can write gern or nicht gern. What I also want you to do is write the du, und wie forms. Now this one here, lieber als. Okay, ich gehe lieber in den Park als in die Stadt. I prefer going to the park than into town. Alright, so basically you put in lieber als. Okay, and also make sure you know what they mean. Here, so gerne wie, just as much as. So, ich spiele Fußball so gerne wie Volleyball. I like playing football just as much as volleyball. So again, figure out what they're asking you and you put in the so gern wie. Then you've got the advanced tasks where I want you to answer the questions if you can. Okay. Now all of the tasks that I've put on over the last few days, Monday onwards, these are all due by the end of the weekend. Alright, the end of the weekend. So don't panic and think, why is he suddenly giving us all this work? Alright, it is for this week. Okay, hope this was useful.